2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.